We'll give you the answer and present a solution. We'll show how the plugin functions and display performance and success indicators. In large projects, creating or adjusting a general coordinate system and transferring it to the working Revit models is extremely labor-intensive for a BIM coordinator. If errors occur during this process, problems are likely to arise when the design solutions are made. Similarly, improper creation of the system can lead to complications. As a result, both the designer and the customer may face critical consequences. If the initial data for the customer are not enough and design discipline master plan is not developed, the process gets more complicated. If initial data for the customer are insufficient and the design discipline master plan is not developed, the process becomes more complex, requiring constant adjustments and laborious coordinate reassignments. We present you a solution to the problem. Shared Coordinates, plugin for creating and transferring a general coordinate system. This plugin enables you to establish a general coordinate system and seamlessly transfer it to the designer's models. You can also do necessary revisions throughout the entire project lifecycle. Now, let's dive into using the plugin. Close the project in Revit, or open a new program window, as it's necessary for the plugin to function properly. Go to Tab Necker and launch the plugin. The plugin interface consists of 3 key elements. Let's begin with settings. Settings enable you to redefine the coordinate source and set the name of the common site or coordinate system, which will be created. The second element is the folder where files with coordinate sources selected in the settings are located. The third element is a folder containing Revit model files into which the general coordinates will be published. This area is for comparing the coordinate sources with Revit models for transmission. Depending on the coordinate source selected in the settings, there are 2 methods to create and set a general coordinate system. Let's take a closer look at them. The first method is when the coordinate source is a Revit file. This method is used when the coordinate system is created manually in the base Revit file. Go to Settings. Select the Revit file as the coordinate source, then select the directory with the coordinate source specified in the settings. Select the folder containing the Revit models. You can download models either from a local disk or from the Revit server. Compare the coordinate file with the appropriate Revit models. Compare the models with the coordinate sources and click Apply. The second method is when the coordinate source is an XML file transferred from Civil 3D or AutoCAD. You can create an XML file using the Model Point plugin by downloading it from the Installation Manager. Add the selected XML file. Add the coordinate sources in the comparison table and match appropriate Revit models to each of them. Click Apply. After setting and transferring the coordinates using any of the shown methods, load the models from different files to form a coordination model. Use the Links Manager plugin to link the models and select the loading method using general coordinates. With this process, a general coordinate system is created and transferred to all Revit models. We can see that all the models are loaded correctly towards each other. Thus, the plugin ensures the consistency in design solutions and eliminates the risk of working with inaccurate data. The background process for setting the coordinates enables the coordinator to do other tasks. It reduces the risk of errors in making design solutions. The coordination model is being formed to be handed into the customer, and the construction site is being visualized. As a result, the problem is solved. Using Share Coordinates together with Model Point and Links Manager, you'll no longer need to create a coordinate system manually, saving even more time. Visit encagroup.com to download the plugin and explore our other solutions.